I don't know if I'm presentable here.
That's
Cheers. What are you taking, moving pictures? Oh my gosh. Hello for eternity. What is the date today? We have to mark this date. It's August the maybe 21st, 2009. There's Siobhan in the kitchen. We have her slaving away.
Cooking dinner.
Cooking some
posterity purposes.
Hey, that's enough, Kirk.
enough waving. I'm trying to win at Scrabble, but not doing well. I don't even know where I'm supposed to put it.
I think Julie stayed up all night figuring all kinds of angles.
I'm sure.
Where is our cabin?
What's that?
Where is our cabin?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
James! James!
I thought he'd be rolling.
Hi, Bobby! Hi, James! Hi, Bobby! Excuse me.
Well, she was sleeping, then I forgot I was banging around there, slamming the dryer door, and all of a sudden she appears.
Sunday sign on Monday. Of course, you signed your final agreement. You talked about it for a while, and it's a multi-year deal. Looking at the big picture, Brian, what does that do for you and this team?
Yeah, I think it definitely gives us some direction. We've still got some other
Bobbies!
moving forward.
James!
But we're really proud of the win last week, and it was very exciting. I'm looking forward to making that real Red Bull. I've enjoyed it.
I said, we're trying to play Scrabble. She jumped up so fast that
I think you did this word. Was that an M?
I
Linda.
may have, but I don't know
Linda.
what it is.
Might have been an M. I have H.
Huh?
I have H written down, but I don't think that's it. Agami?
M?
I thought it was an M.
Oh, okay, I can't do that. Okay.
I'm not sure though.
If we can come out here with a top 10, I really believe that's going to be a good night for us.
Yeah, what are those little keys doing?
After me, it'll be your turn again.
I believe this is
The
done.
new racetrack, I think, is going to make for some great racing tonight.
Do you think the kids are hungry yet? They were watching something. They
No,
seem
I think we'll leave them alone till they come out. How's that?
sure. Because they usually come around when they're
They do.
hungry.
And those two little girls have swam all afternoon, so you would think they'd come running.
Do you think, I wonder if they'll sleep out there today? Because then Kevin could take this car.
Yeah, that'd be nice for Kevin.
It's fun.
What are you taking a picture of the backside?
That smells good.
Hey.
Is it? Oh.
Hi.
Are you guys getting hungry at all? Yeah, John's starving. Oh, is he? Okay.
Siobhan's hiding from me.
Kirk, would you set up the 2 TV trays in the living room?
I'm already in it. He already filmed me cooking.
Kirk, I
Yeah?
have a list of things I need for you to do.
What's things for me to do?
Yeah.
Boku work?
Take the garbage out,
Yeah.
including the one from the kitchen.
Okay.
I'm tired of standing there, Daddy.
Start the fire.